I'm Gerry Ibels from Azaya, and I'm going to talk to Peter Aziz about the dragon magic. Peter is coming in January to the Netherlands, to Marwijk Swords, on 25 and 26. And we are going to talk about what is the dragon magic about, and what can you do with it. Peter, what actually are dragons?
I'm going to answer that on two levels. First of all, on a personal level, they represent the risen Kundalini. You have the idea of the serpent, which is the raw primordial power of our instincts, and you have the fire, which is the Kundalini. So it's about rising that power from its fullest potential, from the deepest to the highest. So it's about awakening our greatest potential on all levels. On a more macrocosmic scale, dragons are beings that are slightly above angels. You see in both the Kabbalah and in the Arabic systems, for each name of God there's an angel. But I find with the dragons, each one has several names of God. It's like each dragon has the power of several angels. So basically, when we work with dragons, we're both awakening our full potential so that we can then co-create with the greatest beings in creation.
Ah, you say co-creation. So what can dragon magic be used for?
First of all, protection. That's one of the biggest things people want from it, because with these powerful beings can guard against any dark force in creation. So against curses, negative entities, demons, against vampirism, and any negative energies around you at all. It gives you great protection. Secondly, healing. Energetically, there's strong energetic causes to many different illnesses which a normal medicine doesn't deal with. This is particularly noticed in children who are very vulnerable to actually thought forms and things around them. You find when you clear a child of all its negative thought forms and entities, you clear nightmares, behaviour problems, as well as illnesses. To the adults, it's very good for actually cutting those emotional ties to other people that are still draining you, to actually re-establish your dominance in any social situations, so you're not feeling the victim, not feeling weak. And basically, it can add to any form of healing because it's dealing with energetic cause of things, your energy flowing well. Apart from that, it's also good for creating your reality. You can manifest all your dreams with it. And also, something that's not often dealt with is discreate things you don't want. All those problem areas, you can make them all disappear. So you stop manifesting problems in your life. So it covers all this. Basically, it's going to help you master your own reality.
Yes, it's also fantastic to use it. It's really great. Who can benefit from dragon magic?
Anybody who wants to take charge of their life. Now, this is an important key. See, dragons awaken when you're ready to actually take responsibility yourself and be willing to change your life. To many people, this is first of all about protection. When you decide you're going to not be the victim anymore and take control, you're not going to be bullied by people, they're there. So they give you protection. To many others, it's because they want to heal themselves, also protect those close to them. Others, because they want to take charge of creating their dreams, which they never have time for, and to actually put more energy into actually making those things happen. And to many others, it's about discreating those problems that keep coming to your life. People get overwhelmed with problems and never stop. You stop them from happening. You discreate them once and for all. So basically, it's for all those things. Anybody who wants to take charge. Anybody who wants to stop being the victim. Anybody who wants to actually no longer accept what fate is dealing you, but it will also take charge of your own destiny with both hands, make a change, and start mastering your own reality, crafting your own life.
What will I gain from the course?
First of all, power. This will first manifest as confidence, safety. Once you feel protected, you can go through life without fear. You can get on with mastering your dreams without them being crushed all the time, without being controlled and bullied by other people. So first of all, there's the safety. Then from that comes confidence. Then back comes a sense of control of your own life, knowing that you can create your dreams. You can discreate the things that you don't want. You feel more in charge. That's the ultimate benefit of it. You're going to be in charge of your own life. So on this course, you're going to have several empowerments, first of all. So it's going to be quite easy to follow. There's nothing really drastic you have to do. Just have to listen, follow meditations. They're going to be various initiations to awaken your power. You're going to meet your dragons. And once you've actually got that power awakened in you, you have various spells to learn and some meditations to follow that I'll guide you through. So it's not difficult. There's a bit of work for you to do. You have to remember to use the spells in future. But basically, you have all the spells you need to actually master various aspects of your life, to deal with all the problems, heal things, protect yourself, get rid of curses, de-manifest things, manifest things. Also, you're going to learn a journey to beauty, where you can get to the source of creation, to awaken what's real in you. So it covers all those things, but basically the end result is that you're going to have the spells you can use to actually change your reality.
Yes, and that I can say it changed my reality totally, and it's fantastic to use it. every day. I use it every day, and it's really great. You can do a lot with it. I freed myself with the dragons. It gave me a lot of power. I'm working with it every day in my healings for myself, for creating, for cleansing the house, for cleansing my aura. You can do so much with the dragons, and it gives you a lot of power. And it changed my whole life. And I can say I can recommend all the courses of Peter because my life is totally changed for the better after that. So if you want to come to the course and if you want to live this change, then email me or call me and you are welcome in Marwijkswoord on 25 and 26th of January 2025. See you there.
See you all then.
Thank you.